How to fix copy-paste not working on Windows. Go to the command prompt and run as administrator. Or type CMD in the Windows search box, then right-click command prompt and select Run as administrator. And type sfc/scan now. Then press enter. Second method, go to the command prompt and run as administrator. Then type cmd/c double quotation echo off vertical bar pipeclip double quotation. Then press enter. Third method. Open File Explorer. And go to the Windows folder. Search for System32. Double-click on it. Open the System32 folder and type rdpclip in the search bar. From the search results, right-click on the rdpclip.exe file and then click on Run as Administrator. In the same manner, search for the dwm.exe file, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator.